Hello, in today's video you will see how you can design your own CI/CD workflow on Brainboard for cost and security optimization of your cloud infrastructures. So let's get started. For today's video, we're going to work on the AWS landing zone infrastructure that you can see here with the design and the Terraform code that have been automatically generated from it. To design your workflow on Brainboard, you simply need to go to the deployment tab here, and then you can choose a name. So for example, instead of new workflow, we're going to say it's security and costs workflow. So here, we will choose a task that we want to run. So for example, it will be Terraform Validate, which simply needs to give it a name, Validate. Then we want to do a Terraform plan. So here, Terraform plan. And here, for example, we want to use OPA for naming convention. So here, custom rules, naming conventions. So here, this is the code that we will use. Decision Brainboard deny. And here, for example, we want to warn the first team, let's say Cloud Architect, for them to come to Brainboard and check these first actions. So here, for example, we choose an email address. And here, please check the Terraform commands and PA. Then now, for example, we want to run the security aspect of it. So here, Tfsec. So security check. And here, ignore the failure. In parallel to that, we want to run, for example, Terrascan. So here, security check as well. So here, for example, when you use Terrascan, you can also include your own scan rules. And then here I close it as well. Now, for example, I want to warn another team, the team security. So here, for example, it will be Benjamin at brainboard.co. Here, check the security requirements of this infrastructure. And now, for example, we want to run Infracost. Here, cost optimization. Here, we will need the API key. So let me look for it. So it's there. Now you can do either a diff or a breakdown. We will do breakdown. Here, close it. And then, for example, here, another team, FinOps. And then, for example, it can be Henry at brainboard.co. And here, please check the cost of this infrastructure. So here, we have designed our workflow by including Terraform commands, OPA, Terrascan and Tfsec, and then Infracost. And at each level, at each step of the workflow, we have warned different teams. So Cloud Architect, Security Team, and FinOps. Now we can save the workflow. And then we can run the pipeline. So here you will see. So the pipeline triggers successfully. So the first action that Brainboard will do will be a Terraform Validate. So as you can see, success, the configuration is actually valid. Now the action is running for the Terraform plan. And as you can see, the other ones are actually scheduled. So here it's running. We will have the output as well. So here we have the output of the plan with 21 to add 0 to change, 0 to destroy. Then here we run OPA. So as you can see, it's running. So here it succeeded. We are going to look at the output of it. So here we have all of these results. So now the cloud architect can come verify that the Terraform commands and OPA are respected. Then here, as you can see, we have the security check, job succeeded, and here, same thing for Tfsec, no problem detected. The security team received an email. Now, Infracost is running, and here we will see the breakdown per resources. So here, for example, we have the name, we have the monthly quantity unit and the monthly cost. So for example, if we look at it, the overall total cost of this infrastructure will be $109.50. So as you can see, 21 cloud resources were detected. And now the last team, the FinOps team, has received the email and can come to Brainboard to check that the cost is respected and budget is respected as well. So here, as you can see, I showed you how you could design your own CI/CD workflow for cost, security, and naming conventions. And here, as you can see, we have the status succeeded, the ID, the pipeline, who was the initiator, and the date. For example, now, if you want to see how you can create it into templates, so here, you convert this workflow into a template, security and cost workflow. You clone it, and then you will be able to look at all of your templates here and you will be able to use them. So I hope this video has been useful for you, and if you have any questions on how you can build your own CI/CD workflow on Brainboard, I will be happy to help you do that. Have a great day.